Double-click the XINGYING install package. 4.5.0.6962 is the version number. The language chose English. Click Next and click Install. After the software finished downloading, unclick the Launch button. Before we run the software, the two initial settings need to be done. First one, we can open the control panel. Click Network and Internet. Then click Network and Sharing Center. Choose the Ethernet port that connects with PoE switch. Click Properties. Find IPv4 and manually type the IP address and subnet mask, which is 10.1.1.198 and 255.255.255.0 respectively. Another one is also in the control panel. When we open the system and the security, click Windows Define a Firewall. We choose turn the Windows Define a Firewall on or off from the left hand side, and turn off both private and public network firewall. The two thumb drives need to be inserted into a PC at the first time. One is dongle and another one is license active file. Dongle lacks a key to the software, which need to keep being inserted when you're using the software. When you're activating the dongle, your PC needs to be connected with the internet. After activation, you can offline using the software with dongle. However, if the dongle is a trial version, you need to be connected to the internet when you're using the software. Additionally, trial dongle can only be registered and activated on 2 PCs, while the normal one is unlimited. However, when the second time you run the software, dongle becomes the only one you needed to be inserted into a computer. The first things when we open the software is to choose the project directory, which we can save all our calibration file and testing data inside, which is for us to find afterward. Then we are ready to connect the cameras and display.